What is up, my dudes, and the one girl who's looking for a place to start her career as a motorcycle bikini car wash girl? This is Bikes, Beards, and Brews. Let's kick that intro. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whoop, hold on. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Before we kick this one off, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. New videos coming weekly. Let's get the other stuff out of the way. Want to save 10% on a Cardo communicator? Check my referral link down below. Want to support me in all my do-gooderness like these cool guys here? Boom! You should become part of the Brew Crew. Enjoy the coffee page down below. Want to know why I'm asking you for money? Well, down next to those 5,000 Amazon affiliate links is a link explaining what I do with your money. You should check that out. Got it? Good. Cool. Let's move on. All right, so today we're back up in Manchester, New Hampshire. Oh boy. And first and foremost, we're heading over to Manchester Harley to pick up Dave. Yes, Dave. He is going to come out and do some riding with us. And then we're going to head out to Milford because, well, I haven't been to Milford in a while. So, you know, I figured check it out. I took a look. There are a few breweries over there, so why not see what's going on, right? That's about what we've got, and it should be good, so let's do that.
It's the most accurate New Hampshire window sticker I've ever seen.
When the really bad cover band starts doing really bad Metallica covers, it's time to go. We're out. How's this for a transition? We went from drinking beer to Mexican restaurants and Mexican food. Well, not much Mexican food. We're waiting for that to arrive. Oh, we got it.
I was gonna say cerveza.
Cerveza.
So I did a fantastic job plugging in the mic on the way down here. But yeah, here we are. And we got Dave. So I actually realized that...
Say hi before? Hi. It's been a bit. How are you fuckers doing? Good? All right.
we were supposed to meet up like a few weeks ago, but he got lost. He just found his way.
Here we fucking
just
go
now.
again.
Just now.
Jesus Christ.
Then I realized he's actually probably not getting lost. I was like, you know what? He gets lost all the time. But then I was like, you know what? Hobbits go on unexpected journeys all the
I fucking
time.
hate you.
So maybe he just took the long way to get here.
If he gets fucking stabbed one day and never shows up again, you'll know why.
All right, so we're rolling out of Ogie's and whatever Mexican Cantina we were just in. I don't know. Ogie's was good. It was good beer. They did a good job. I was definitely cool with all that. I did totally forget to plug in my microphone on the way out here, so I was doing an awesome job at talking to myself because, hey, why not? Just to kind of catch you all up. Yeah, I don't come out to Milford that much, so I pretty much just randomly picked some breweries in Milford and said, Dave, we're going, and that's what we did. Never been there, never heard of the place, whatever. It was just a reason to go for a ride, and I'm totally cool with that. So is Dave, so yeah. I gotta say, when you get on the outskirts of Methchester, so, you know, not downtown and all that, pretty nice area. Like, whatever. This is actually where I grew up, was Methchester, and yeah, it's definitely gone downhill over the years, but still has a lot of nice stuff in it, in nice places. I think it's one of those things where it's like, you know, you never truly like the place that you grew up. Just because you grew up there, you've kind of had enough of it. I don't know, I kind of respect the people that like live, work, grow up, whatever, and die in the exact same spot. I don't know if I could ever be happy doing that. There are apparently people that are and do, and sweet, good on you guys. But yeah, it's nice to come visit here, but that's about it. I love these traffic circles. They're like little racetracks. You just keep going around. I wonder how many times Dave will follow me. Like, seriously, you people that like hate like traffic circles, stop it. These are fun. Just get into them and go. Like, why wouldn't you want to just do this? It's just one big... Maybe I can lap Dave. Let's see if I can catch up to him. Seriously, like, I can't imagine what he's like yelling in his helmet right now. He puts up with so much crap. Alright, let's leave the circle this time. Oh, the dumb things that amuse me. That's it right there. So I have no idea what's going on with this nonsense in front of me, but whatever, you know, ride your ride, all that fun stuff. Good job, guys. Yay. Anyway, so that was a whole fun hodgepodge of nonsense. I hope that we entertained you just a little bit today and all that other fun stuff. But yeah, like I said, if you're up in the Manchester area, go check out my buddy Lindsay one more time. I will name drop her. and you know, head on over to Manchester Harley if you're looking for a new bike and buy something like a CVO. And you know, if you buy the CVO, feel free to come by my house, let me take it for a ride. That's cool too. Oh sweet, we're about to watch a death. Oh man, but that's what I got for you today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one dork you know who does know what the hell was going on in that weird ass bike up ahead of me. He loves this stuff, trust me. I'll see you all on the flip side.